Okay, I wanted Engine Sunday. It's a real quick video. I gotta go out with friends here in a little bit, play trivia, I guess. But this is a 2 horsepower Hercules hit and miss gas engine. I'll get you the tag here real quick. Getting close. I don't know if you can read it, but it's a 2 horsepower. Best I can tell by the serial number, it's a 1925. It's got an EK mag on it, which is the high tension mag. I mean, pretty much it's all the same of all the other videos that I've posted before. I did see something on the base. I know I've talked about the Jaegers, but if you can see, it's kind of dark, but there's 2 holes in the base where the Jaeger tag would be. So I'm not sure if it was might have been a Jaeger, but this is I don't know when it was restored, but it was restored. It's really clean. There's no rust on it. I got it through my friend Paul, who was selling it for a friend. Her husband passed away, and she wanted to get rid of all his engines, and I happened to luck out on this one. It does not have an original base, but I kind of think it's cool, so I don't think I'll change it out. If I do anything, I'll take it back apart and clean up the lumber, and because it looks like it's oak, and put shellac or something on it, maybe some linseed oil just to make it pop. But I'm going to go ahead and put you up here on the stand. And note, I am going to cheat because I am going to use brake clean to get it to pop off, but let's put you on the stand and see what we can do. Yep, a little shot of brake clean. A little shot of brake clean. Whoops. Alright, there we go. Little Engine Sunday. Take you back off here. Full sight here. Flywheel's turning pretty good. Got a pretty nice oiler on it too. Michigan lubricator company, Detroit, Michigan. If I haven't pointed out before, this is speed controller right here. You can't really see. We got it on the fast speed, but I'm gonna knock it back down to like medium and see if it'll slow down. See how long she stays running. If you move the lever all the way forward, it's the slow speed, but it needs a little adjusting for that. But here we go. It'd be nice for the engine show. Sit there and just butts along. So alrighty, well, I hope you like the engine. Enjoy. Have a happy Sunday.